This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Senait Andemicael. Anglia Homes' beautiful Haydock floor plan is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, and 2.5 bath house that will excite everyone. Upon entry you will find the formal dining room, which is a walkway to the kitchen, making entertaining seamless. The kitchen comes with beautiful cabinets and granite countertops. It also opens up to the breakfast room and family room. Next you will find the spacious master retreat, which leads to the master bath, which features dual vanity, separate bath and shower, and big master closet. Continue upstairs to see the secondary bedrooms, very spacious game room, flex space and guest bath. Contact me today to make this beauty yours before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.